Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Welcome all in this new video and also a new playlist. So in this playlist, I will talk about Python programming from starting to end and from basic to advanced. So talking about is this video. In this video, I will go through importance of programming and especially for the Python programming. So those who are new to this computer science field, please stick to this video. My name is Uday and my YouTube channel name is Analyst Uday. If you are someone who loves data science and machine learning, then this is the right place for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for the upcoming videos. So let's start the video. So now I will open this PPT which I have prepared for you. So as you can see, this is my PPT. So this is my YouTube channel's name, Analyst Uday. So the first is, what is programming? Programming is the process of designing and coding software programs, which are a set of instructions that a computer can follow to perform a specific task. A programmer writes code using a programming language such as Python, Java, or C++, and then uses tools to compile and run the code on a computer. So this is what the programming means. And the next is importance of programming. I will keep it short. So programming is important because it enables people to create software that can automate tasks, process and analyze data, and interact with users in new and innovative ways. So programming skills are in high demand in many industries, including technology, finance, healthcare, and education. And also it can lead to rewarding careers with a competitive salary. And overall, programming is an important and valuable skill that has many practical applications and can provide many personal and professional benefits, such as I am currently working as AI engineer in a company, so that is my professional benefit. I am getting some salary, and my personal benefit that I am teaching you this programming. So this is my personal benefit, and also I can use my programming skills to do my some home automation tasks. So this is my personal benefit. So this is what programming means here. Okay, so next is introduction to Python. I will keep it short. So I will teach you Python programming here. So I am giving introduction to Python programming only. So Python is a high level interpreted programming language that was first released in 1991. It is named after the Monty Python comedy group and has a reputation for being easy to learn and write, with a syntax that is straightforward and intuitive. Python is used by a wide range of organizations, from small startups to large corporations, to build a variety of applications, including web application, desktop application, scientific application, and many more. Even in my companies, we people use this Python programming language only. So this is what about introduction to Python. Some of the key features of Python are like dynamic typing, interpreted language, large standard libraries. So basically Python has so many key features. So these are basically most important key features of this Python programming language. Fourth is object oriented programming, cross platform compatibility, easy to learn. So I will go through one to one. The first is dynamic typing. So in Python, variables don't need to be declared with a specific type, and their type can change dynamically as the program runs. So this makes it easy to write code and reduce the amount of time spent on the type checking. So we will see in the later videos how this dynamic typing works and how it is different to the other programming language. The next is interpreted language. The Python is an interpreted language, meaning that the code is executed line by line as it is written. This makes it easy to read, write, and test code, as well as debug if it is something goes wrong there. So this is what the main key features of Python programming is here. The third is large standard library. So Python has a large standard library that includes module for a wide range of tasks such as string manipulation, file handling, and networking. This makes it easier to perform common tasks without having to write a lot of code from scratch. So This is the fourth one, that is object oriented. So Python is an object oriented language, which means that it supports object oriented programming. That is OOPS. So concepts such as classes, object inheritance, polymorphism. So these concept comes to this object oriented programming, and object oriented programming makes it easier to write reusable code and create complex and modular applications. So we will see in the upcoming videos how object oriented programming works. Move on to the fifth one, that is cross platform compatibility. So Python can run on a wide range of platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux and Unix also. This makes it a great choice for writing cross platform applications that can run on multiple operating systems. Last but not the least, it is easy to learn. Python syntax is designed to be easy to read and write, making it a great choice for beginners who are just starting to learn programming. At the same time, its powerful feature make it suitable for complex, large-scale project as well. So these are the key features of this Python programming. So these are just a few of many features that make Python a popular choice for a wide range of applications. Whether you are building a simple script or large-scale web application, Python's combination of simplicity, power, and versatility makes it a great choice for any project. So the next is installing Python and a code editor. First is installing Python. So to start programming in Python, you will need to have the Python interpreter installed on your computer. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website. The link I have given in the description box also. You can check the description box. During the installation process, you will have the option to add Python to your path, which makes it easier to run Python codes from the command line. The next is installing a code editor. So a code editor is a text editor specifically designed for writing code. There are many code editors available, both paid and free, and some populars are like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm and Sublime Text. When choosing a code editor, look for the one that has good syntax highlighting for Python and supports running Python script from within the editor. So I would suggest to use PyCharm. I personally use PyCharm. It has some advantage over this Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text. So the main advantage of PyCharm is like it creates an environment whenever you create a new project. But for the people who are new to the data science field, they can install Jupyter Notebook along with Python, and they can start working with the data science stuff and machine learning stuff. So for them, I have already created a video where I have installed Python and Jupyter Notebook on the Windows 11. So you can watch the video. I will give the link in the description, and also you can click on the I button. So why Jupyter Notebook for data science beginner? Jupyter Notebook is a web-based interactive computing platform that allows users to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It is an excellent tool for data science beginner because it provides user-friendly environment for working with data, analyzing it, and visualizing it. Python for data science. Python is a programming language for data science due to its simplicity, versatility, and a large community of users and developers. The language was designed to be easy to read and write, which makes it a great choice for data scientists who need to rapidly prototype and test new ideas. So this is why most of the data scientists and the people in data science field use Python. Here are some of the reasons why Python is well suited for data science. First is large ecosystem of libraries. So Python has a large and growing ecosystem of libraries and packages that are specifically designed for data science. For example, NumPy, Pandas are two of the most widely used packages of data manipulation and analysis. While Matplotlib and Seaborn are popular for data visualization. The second is machine learning. So second is machine learning, but it is the most important reason why data science people use Python. Python has a large number of libraries and packages especially designed for machine learning and deep learning, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. These libraries make it easy to train and evaluate machine learning models and to use them to make predictions. Next is interoperability. Python is highly interoperable with other programming languages, making it easy to integrate with other tools and systems. For example, data scientists can use Python to extract data from database and APIs, and then use other programming languages such as R for statistical analysis. And the fourth one is ease of use. As I already said, Python is known for its simplicity and ease of use, which makes it a great choice for data science beginner. The language has a low barrier to entry and its syntax is easy to learn and understand. In conclusion, Python is a great choice for data science due to ease of use, large ecosystem of libraries, interoperability with other programming languages, large community, and support for machine learning. Whether you are the just starting out in data science or you are an experienced practitioner, Python is a versatile and powerful tool that is worth considering. In the next video, I will start from basic data types in Python and I will see till what topics I can cover. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.